Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Microsoft Loop for think, plan and create together. It is actually the motto of this tool here. So it is actually a project creator or project management system that offered by Microsoft. So you can get started with Loop free by tap on this simply this button here, and you can find this loop integrate this loop dashboard here. And it is actually much powerful thing that you can work together with your team to plan something or for on your projects, and you can connect it with your Microsoft 365. So here the dashboard is look like this. So it's pretty much interactive. So you can simply click on this plus icon to create a idea on like page idea here. So like this you can add some project here. Here is a title about your plan that I'm going to add something like test, and here you can add some body text from here that hello world. And from here you can see I have just added a name or titles here, so it has just adjusted it. And you can name you can change the title of that section here also, or you can just go to that here. And from here you can simply add something like just simply right click on your mouse and you can make that text bold, italic. You can add underscore. Let me show you how you can just do it. You can make it bold by selecting it, or you can make it italic, or I can right click on it, you can make it underline just like this. Also you can strike through, you can make it heading 1, you can make it heading 2, or you can make it heading 3 also. Then from here it is the undo and redo button here, and here is the copy, cut and paste button. Then that will help you to manage your texture and all of these things here you can see. So create loop component, you can use the loop component that will look like this. Actually this is pretty much cool here like this, and I think I can create it just like this. Here is the animation between this thing here, so it will help you to get that component. Like if you text that if you just search for something like image of a cat. So if you select that and you use this loop create loop component, let's see how if it can generate it. Now it can generate it, so leave it right here. So we can search for anything on our workspace. Here is the notification related to our workspace that we can get here, and this is the recent file that we have opened here or we worked on. And here is ideas that we have created in Microsoft Loop, and here is workspace that we can create our new workspace here. So we can simply click on it and type a name for your workspace like test, and simply click on create. And here you can see I have just added a new workspace where I can add a blank page or project brief or team discussion here, or project planning or meeting notes. So if I go with project planning here, it will look like this, and this is the template where you can just plan it or you can customize it. If you team discussion, so that will look like this. This is actually all of this template here, and it's pretty much cool with some tables and tags here that will help you to manage your all the plan here. Now project brief that you can that customize, and you can just adjust your project, and you can actually decorate your project plans here. So from here you can add a table here, you can customize all of this in table. You can change the tag here, you can rename all of this column from here, and you can resize the column here, you can change the column type from here. And if you want to add another column, then you can simply tap on it, and from here this is the color and formatting actually. So you can select the color of your text here and the background color of every text here, and you can also inline code, you can enter some code for the custom color and gradients here. Now you can simply not that actually, that's for comment. If I tap on this button here, now heading and list, here you can find some bulleted list and number list and checklist. You can add some number list and bulleted list just like this, and from here you can just do it. Yes, and also you can ask for like add a table of 2 column colon, sorry for that, and role. So you can let's see if it can just generate it. No, it can't actually generate that also, so don't worry. You can just create it, or you can just copy that from here, copy this table from here, or you can simply tap on this three dot button here and go to this section here, and you can add some quote, and you can add the link if you want. So you can select anything in text here, and you can add the text with the as the anchor text of that link here. And here is the share option that you can use to share, like your workspace. You can share your workspace, or you can share only this individual page from here, or also you can share the loop component here. So for example, I want to share this page link with someone. So if you click on share button here, and here you have to allow that all of thing. Now link copied, so you can see the link is copied now, and you can share this thing with anyone with that link, and anyone can actually access your this project page with that link. Now here is the settings that you can set up, like anyone with that link, so anyone is allowed to get access with that link, or you can give some restricted like people you choose. So you can select it, and you can add their email address to choose them individually to give them access. So people with existent access, so if there's any people that actually get the access of other pages, so they can get it. Now you can select the restriction that they can, if they can edit, then you can simply click on this can edit, or if you want so that the visitor or that recipient won't allowed to be edit your page, only they are allowed only to view your page, then you can simply select it, and you can simply click on apply, and then you can share it with your friends. Now here is the settings. So if you go to the settings, you can change the theme to system theme or light theme or the dark theme here. So here is accessibility. You can change the language from here. You can add the editor like text description. You can turn it on or turn it off here. So proofing settings also here, some different like you can add autocorrection, spelling, grammar, clarity, everything for just needed for creating a perfect paragraph, a perfect presentation or documentation. So that's pretty much all thing for now about this loop. But there's one thing that I have missed out, that you can lock that page by simply click on this three dot button. You can find more options, so you can lock that page here, you can rename, and you can select the style. Also you can print, and you can export that as a PDF. This export this file for PDF, and you can find that version history. Here is the version history that you can use. So one of this, you can this, so you can restore any version history. So you can get the old version or the perfect one if you have messed up this, so you can get that. Now here is the recap if you want so. If you want to delete any page, so you can find this delete button here, and you can simply click on delete, and it will immediately delete that page from your Microsoft Loop. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.